Hi guys, my name is Lex and this is Tech Talk PH. Kumusta na kayo guys? Akalain nyo 2 buwan na lang at Pasko na at magtatapos na ang 2020 at isa pa kayo sa mga naghihintay na lang matapos tong taon na to para matapos na rin ang lahat, diba? Isa ako sa mga kaanib ninyo. And of course, sa mga subscribers natin, thank you so much for being here again. Sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa channel na to and sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe, please to go ahead and click that subscribe button and notifications bell para naman ma-update ka sa mga susunod na videos natin. So yun guys, meron ako nabasang comment last time and sabi niya, mamigay naman daw ako. Natapos na yung paraffle ko nung na-hit ko yung target ko ng 1,000 subscribers. So, just keep on supporting me guys. Just keep on sharing my videos, liking my videos, watching my videos. Malay nyo, sometime in the future, kapag kumikita na ako kasing laki ng ibang YouTuber, for sure, every month mamimigay ako. Kasi yun nga, hindi naman ako nagpunta sa YouTube para magpayaman eh. Nagpunta ako dito para i-share ko yung knowledge sa inyo, i-share ko sa inyo yung truthful, honest, and of course, unbiased reviews na deserve nyo naman talaga. And madalian lang naman tong video natin for today. And today is an unboxing video ng isa sa mga accessories na natanggap natin for this batch. Hindi na natin ito patatagalin pa at eto ang Huawei mini speaker unboxing and first impressions. So ayan, bubuksan na natin. Meron lang siyang isang tape dito sa may bandang likod na parang okay, mahirap siyang tanggalin so kakailanganin ko yung aking mini knife. Oh shoot. Sorry. Oh shoot. Okay. Nagalusan ko yung karton. So, ayan. Bubuksan na natin siya. Actually, I have here the graphite black color. And then, makikita nyo dito guys, sa loob ng box, it is divided into 2. And dito guys, sa upper portion niya, at least dito sa ating setting, makikita natin yung usual books and sheets. And ayan, nandito naman sa baba is yung actual speaker. And it's actually cute. Ang liit niya guys. Sobrang liit niya oh. Ang cute lang, 'di ba? There's nothing. Oh, ayun, meron pa. So ayun guys, sa may upper part ng device, makikita natin dito is yung, of course, the charging cable, which is a micro USB one. Set it aside, and of course, this very cute braided tie with a Huawei branding right there. Set it aside. There's nothing else more in the box. So, eto siya guys, and ito turn on na natin siya para tingnan, i-check, and of course, i-pair sa isa sa mga smartphones natin kung magsa-sound ba siya ng maganda. Alright, there you go. So, kukunin ko lang guys si Vivo Y20i, okay? Wait lang. So, ayan guys, eto na si Vivo Y20i. Ayan, makikita natin, naka-turn on siya. So, eto ang Bluetooth name niya guys, Huawei. Saan yun? Eto pala. So, eto siya guys. So, eto yung device name guys, which is the Huawei CM510. So yun, i-connect lang natin. Tap to connect it and to pair it. There you go. Narinig nyo naman tumunog, diba? For those who are asking what phone do I use to play the League of Legends Wild Rift, of course, eto lang yun guys, yung Vivo Y20i. This is what I use to play it. There you go. Turn the brightness up. I can't hear anything. Why is that? Something must be wrong. So ayun guys, na-pair ko na siya and titignan na natin yung sound niya while on the Wild Rift. Naka full volume na yan guys. Ang nice, no? Wow. So sa liit niyang to, ang ganda nung bass. Very convincing, no? Talagang impressive. Ang nice niya, ang nice niya. Hold on. Okay, so para naman hindi maging bias, magpe-play tayo ng music, no? Using this speaker, this mini speaker. No? Small but terrible talaga, guys. Natuwa ako sa kanya kasi I cannot imagine na yung ganito kaliit na device, tignan nyo naman kung gaano siya kaliit. Ito yung kamay ko, 'di ba? Kasing liit lang, Mas maliit pa sa hinlalaki ko. Mas maliit din sa pinky finger ko. So, it's really small but terrible, guys. So, hold on.
Get a Gomo SIM, 25 gig, no expiry data for $2.99. Gomo.
Wow.
The new Vitasoy Plus Milky.
So milky? So good for you!
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Keep doing that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now.
So yun naman guys, narinig nyo naman na yung sound quality na napoproduce nitong Huawei mini speaker right here. So, I'm literally out of words right now guys because yun nga, it exceeded my expectations and I did not expect something good out of this speaker right here, no? Kasi yun nga, nasanay tayo na kapag maliit yung speaker, nasanay tayo na kapag medyo mura yung speaker, medyo basag yung tunog, medyo underwhelming yung magiging performance niya and yung magiging sound quality niya. But overall, actually natuwa ako sa kung ano yung na-produce na to. And one more thing na gusto kong i-highlight dito sa video na to and sa review na to, is actually yung build quality. Because this one right here is not plastic. It's metal, guys. So, one thing na nagustuhan ko talaga sa Huawei is yung talagang pagbibigay nila ng premium feel and yung premium build quality ng mga products nila. Not just the product itself. Actually, ito yung isa ko pang gustong i-highlight sa inyo, no? The packaging. Who would say that this packaging right here costs 1,000 pesos only? Yun. So, sinabi ko na the price of this accessory is just 999 pesos. Small but terrible from a big company, from a big brand. No, 1,000 pesos. This one right here is 1,000 pesos. This one right here is actually 5,000 pesos. Who would have thought, guys? Diba? Same premium unboxing experience, no? Parehong makakapal yung boxes. Hindi siya tinipid. No, pati itong mga plastic dito, they are equally thick, guys. Huawei is doing one thing correctly, no, sa lahat, across all their devices, and hands down ako doon kasi gano'n naman talaga. So shout out lang sa Samsung na nagtitipid sa packaging ng mga entry-level phones nila. So I'm actually, guys, thinking about keeping this device, no. Parang gusto ko siyang i-keep, pero most likely isa siya sa mga ipapamigay ko, pero I don't know. Parang gusto ko talaga siyang i-keep kasi natutuwa ako sa quality niya. But then again, titignan natin, malay nyo, bigay ko na lang or malay nyo i-keep ko. Depende sa trip ko. Pero yun nga, then again guys, thank you so much sa pagsama nyo sa akin today dito sa panibagong video natin. Then again, my name is Lex and see you on the next video. Peace!